My name is Gary Pullinger, I'm Sales Director of Nullifire. We specialise in the full range of passive fire protection, so not only fire stopping products but also intumescent coatings, which is fairly unique to the industry. Now we've got big growth plans. We're spending a lot on development, research development, lots of innovation and lots of resource going into technical and R&D. I think we know the industry's changing. I think we have to develop products that are more designed into the building. Passive fire protection is very retrofit, so that's an area we're looking at, and a lot of resources have been put into that. So within the next couple of years, hopefully we'll have some really unique products coming to the market. We've looked at Optifire, so traceability within products. So main contractors, architects, when they specify a product, at the end of the stage of the building, they can go and check that the products that have been used or the product's been specified. And this is Optifire technology. So in intumescent coatings, we can use a laser light, and it will find little glints within the product, little taggants they're called, and they can be found after a fire as well. So it's really good for insurers to maintain these products are properly used, and also in the fire stopping on the coated bats, in the sealants, the same products are used, so all of our products can be identified after use on site. Biggest selling product is our SC902, which is a hybrid product. Again, very unique in the industry, especially good for fast track projects, high build, so most applications for 2-hour rating can be applied in one go. And also it can be sprayed on site at 0 degrees, unlike any other product. So it's been a great product, real development in that product over the last 9 years. I think the industry's gone through many changes. I mean, I've been in the industry 30 years, and fire stopping in particular was a last-minute fault in construction all those years ago. Things have been slowly changing. The ASFP have forefronted that really, and then Grenfell obviously had a huge impact. I think the industry needed to change, and I think we need to, when we're looking at fire protection, we need to be involved in the design of the building rather than being called in at the last minute to see if we got the products to solve the problems. And that's got to be the way forward. So more engagement with main contractors and architects. We're doing lots and lots of training, so this isn't only for applicators, this is for main contractors. Online training sessions monthly for anyone to attend, including architects, so it's really spreading the word. The same as the ASFP, really, spreading the word and trying to get people to buy into this early design. I think it's an exciting time. I think things are improving rapidly. The downside is investments required because things are changing, we're testing, there's new products, new requirements. But is it fast enough? Probably not. There's still far too many buildings that are not protected properly and are not safe to be within. So I think everyone's got to keep up the hard work until we get to where we want to be. Nullifire's 50 next year, so it's one of the oldest fire protection companies in the industry. The knowledge in the company is huge. We've had a lot of people who have been in the industry a long time. And really it's a great company to work for. Hopefully it's a great company to buy for, and it's a company that's going to keep on growing. So Nullifire is part of CPG Europe, which are 7 major construction brands. We've got 5 offices throughout the UK, offices throughout Europe, and a total of 1,400 employees, so a big resource, but a lot of knowledge. We have to be a part of the ASFP. The ASFP is the voice piece to governments and changing standards. It's independent, and that's why us and other manufacturers are heavily involved. It's a continued learning progress, so especially on legislation, and the ASFP hears about these things or knows about these changes that are going to happen before we do. So we're informed quickly. It means we can develop to the new changes in the market. Obviously we just had Ian approved onto the council, Ian Outram from Nullifire, and I'm sure he's going to shake some things up over the next few years.